Hello everyone. In the previous slide you learned about the mechanics of a cough, and here with this video we're going to trying to explain how pathogens can cause a cough. Okay. Okay. So secretions are sometimes the common causes of cough. And secretions are produced in excess in infections such as lower respiratory tract infections. And here's a brief summary of the neurophysiology of a cough reflex, which is normally initiated via the cough receptors. So it's postulated that the cough center is located in the medulla and also involves the phrenic nerves as well as laryngeal nerves. You also find cough receptors in other parts of the lung, such as the pleura, and they can also be activated by chemical stimuli and also obstructions, which is caused by secretions. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned about the causes of cough and how pathogens can cause a cough.